This is for contour. Then for liquid blush. Then this is for you can put foundation to spread out. I have a lot of mini brushes here na hindi ko naman nagagamit because I'm not that expert on it. Then I have a spatula. The next, actually hindi pa yun tapos. Mayroon pa akong isang ito bago lang to. So, dito ko lalagay lahat ng brush. Diyan na lang po isa. I'm going to throw this. Babawas na tayo ng makeup. Also going to throw this one. Ito, dapat talaga to ganito. Parang papalaki kasi nire-arrange siya ng mga lens. Ayos mo gamit eh.